The largest banks in Wall Street are allegedly plotting behind the scenes to get their hands on your XRP. Speculation has it that BlackRock and other global financial managers are preparing for a monumental announcement, the crypto community of which is reeling from the news. A 10 grand price for XRP? Looking at the facts lets it make sense, even though it appears impossible at first. Financial institutions all over the globe are already utilizing Ripple's technology. $1 trillion worth of problems has a practical solution: cross-border payments. Standard financial institutions are in dire need of XRP's speed, efficiency, and practical applications, which set it apart from the majority of cryptocurrencies. The true issue is not if XRP will rise or fall, but rather how far it may go, given that major institutions are increasingly investing in digital assets. Companies on Wall Street who were skeptical of cryptocurrency are suddenly getting together, making plans, and preparing for what may be the most significant shift in the evolution of currency. Still, they'd rather you not know this. They're the ones who initiate movement. Before tiny investors are even aware of what's happening, the big players have secured their positions. Regular purchasers are wary because to fear-mongering and market commotion, while institutions that used to mock XRP are now discreetly purchasing it. There are actual market drivers that might drive XRP's price through the stratosphere, so BlackRock's $10,000 valuation isn't just speculation. So how is this prediction even possible? Additionally, as an XRP owner, what does this signify to you? Please bear with me as I reveal the rationale behind this sea change in institutional dynamics and the XRP frenzy on Wall Street. For a long time, major investors shrugged off XRP as just another cryptocurrency, but that is beginning to change. Wall Street businesses that previously showed little interest in digital assets are now secretly amassing them, with XRP being their main priority. What gave it a shock, though? A key indicator of this is Ripple's increasing influence in global financial markets. While most cryptocurrencies are still figuring out how to function in the actual world, XRP is solving problems worth trillions of dollars. In a field where traditional banking institutions have failed to adapt, it has emerged as the preferred asset for cross-border transactions. Rather than speculating, large institutional investors like BlackRock are actively preparing for the future of the financial markets. The rapid settlement of foreign transactions is what piques their interest in XRP. Banks, payment processors, and even central banks interested in digital currency research will find it useful due to the low or non-existent fees. As the regulations are clarified and more individuals begin to utilize it, these institutions are getting in early to guarantee they won't lose out on what may be the most valuable asset in the financial environment. Another major reason Wall Street is paying attention right now is lending. Because of its design for massive transactions, XRP functions flawlessly in all nations. Hedge funds, banks, and asset managers seek out assets that can manage big sums of money when they make large-scale purchases. The confirmation process for Bitcoin transactions is lengthy and expensive. In contrast, XRP's technology is built to be efficient, popular, and quick. This is not an idle speculation. Mounting evidence suggests major financial institutions are making covert acquisitions. Bitcoin decentralization in action. Big investors usually get interested for a cause. Smart decisions are built on long-term promise and infrastructure rather than following the latest big thing. Already preparing for what may be the most monumental shift in financial history are the very companies who previously disbelieved in XRP. The key issue, nevertheless, remains: what gives BlackRock the impression that XRP may reach $10,000? It might happen if we examine the market factors. In the near future, XRP will hit $10,000 according to BlackRock. When you consider how it functions, this seemingly irrational number starts to make sense. Institutional investors base their decisions on facts, market trends, and the practical usefulness of an asset rather than arbitrary price targets. Then, why is its valuation so high? This is all boiled down to XRP's special function in global capital flows, its place in the market, and its acceptance by institutions. International money transfers are the first topic we'll cover. That has $1 trillion in value but is stuck with outdated tools like SWIFT. Large sums of money are transferred daily between different nations by banks, businesses, and other such organizations. The problem is that companies lose billions of dollars daily due to fees and lengthy transaction delays. XRP eliminates this issue by enabling extremely cheap and nearly instantaneous transactions. Banks worldwide may be able to use XRP in the future to settle funds immediately. The demand for XRP would surge as banks struggle to maintain sufficient cash reserves. We have never witnessed its worth soar to new heights. The proliferation of liquidity hubs is the following step. Ripple is collaborating with major banks to include XRP into their offerings. This will facilitate the usage of XRP for settlements and transfers by banks and companies. A company's liquidity is critical to its success. More and more companies are using XRP, which drives up its demand. If XRP becomes the de facto standard for global payments, it will satisfy the demand for trillions of dollars in hard currency. When there is more demand than supply, prices move higher. The supply phase follows. Only 100 billion XRP tokens will ever be in circulation, and a significant chunk of that will be permanently lost or locked away. In contrast, Bitcoin is distinct because new coins are continually being mined. Scandal dictates value. If major banks begin hoarding XRP in order to facilitate international transfers, there will be significantly less of it available for purchase by private investors. In a situation where demand is high and supply is low, what happens? The price is high. The action is about to heat up now. The XRP market cap prospectively. If XRP takes over as the primary currency for CBDCs, institutional settlements, and cross-border exchanges, the market value might reach trillions of dollars. At the $1,000 mark, many doubted that Bitcoin would ever go above $10,000. It is currently being considered by BLACKROCK that XRP may follow suit. Prices are reaching levels that were previously unimaginable, but unless regulations are clarified, price forecasts are meaningless. What will take place once the SEC's case concludes? Will institutions fully commit? Who knows? Maybe the value of XRP will rise over BlackRock's ambitious $10,000 target, depending on the response to that inquiry. Examining the possibility that regulation is the final factor driving up the price of XRP is worth our time. One of the main obstacles that XRP has faced for a long time is the lack of clarity surrounding laws. Due to the uncertainty, misinformation, and dread induced by the SEC's lawsuit, numerous institutional investors refrained